Welcome back. Vasco Sapta is just round the corner, but the shop allotments issue is far from getting over. The shop allotments were revised last minute. Tussle continues between prevailing two groups of the shopkeepers. The tussle forced corporate Nana Bandekar to intervene to resolve the issue. The Sapta premises witnessed heated arguments. He says issue is solved as of now. However, there is still confusion and chaos among the shopkeepers.
और साल का यहाँ पर नहीं है, अभी नहीं आए हैं।
अभी तुम जाने का, इधर नहीं बैठने का। तुमको जगह किधर मिला, उधर बैठो। तुम्हारे पास कॉम्प्रोमाइज करता है तो करने का, उसके साथ, नहीं तो उसको बैठने का।
अभी हमारा क्या है, हमारा जगह दूसरे को दिया और हमको जो लाइसेंस नंबर दिया ना, वो जगह पे बैठते हैं तो दूसरा दुकान वाला आके बोलता तेरा मर्डर कर देगा, मार देगा, पीट देगा, जला देगा, बोलता दुकान बोलता है। और बोलता दूसरा जगह पे तू किधर भी मिल बोलता है, तेरे को बताएगा।
क्या बोला वो?
वही वो बोला तुम लगाओ, हम क्या होएगा हम देखते हैं। बोलते
किसको बोला?
मेरे को बोलता
लगा बोला,
वो नहीं बोला।
हाँ?
इसको बोलना लगाओ बोल के।
इसको बोला?
हाँ
लायसन्स आहे ना पत्रा?
हाँ पहिलीच आज 20 वर्ष झाली रे आमका हे जागा.
अरे आता कोणी घातला?
आता दुसरे घातलं ते वर्षाती तीनच्या फर्स्ट तुम्ही घालता ते सायडी लास्ट घालता, आता ही हांगा घातलं.
पण आता सध्या प्रॉब्लेम झाला हेच की आमचे जागे सायडीन असलेले तिथून त्यांच्या जागेला 512 513 514 तुम्ही घ्या आणि त्यांना दुसरा 3 नंबर दिला, पण यांच्या जागेर आणि कोणी येऊन त्यांना घालपाक दिवं ना.
पब्लिकाक त्याने सांगूंक जाय असले, ती नोटीस त्याने बाहेर मारूंक ना. ती आता आम्ही बॉल घालता म्हणून काल मारल्या. मिटिंगेक त्याने एकट्या कोणाक अशें उबे रावन दाखोवंक ना, हे अशें करतलो आनी तें करतलो. अक्षरशः फटींग उलयता.
सो आमी सगळ्यांनी ठरयलें की आमी कोणाक अलॉट केल्यात जागो जो जुन्या लोकांचो आशिल्लो तो तेंचे कडेन बसून उलोवन try to see that they shift to the new place, old people come to this place, and that's all.
Government is facing hard times to get the ambitious projects and schemes through. While the state is spending much of its own money towards Lusophonia games, schemes like Netbook to students, Deen Dayal Health Insurance, projects like Kalvi Bridge are still away from the milestone. While Goans look forward upon the Independence Day celebration and CM's Independence Day speech, we take a review.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar had assured tablets or netbooks to school students in his budget speech. This is CM's yet another assurance to the students on 18 June.
अनेक 15 दिसांनी टेंडर येतले, 1.5 म्हयन्यान दिवपाक सुरवात केली. 15 ऑगस्टाच्या आसपास मेळपाक सुरवात केली. हांव सांगता कित्याक भुरगे विचारतात केन्ना येतलो केन्ना त्या जाग्यार हे येतलो धाकटे लॅपटॉप दिता म्हणून मातसो उशीर जाला, पूण 15 ऑगस्टाच्यान सादारण सुरवात करता.
Deadline of 15 August seems unachievable. There are very few chances where the students would get these notebooks even by September. Infotech has recently opened technical beats. It may take another couple of months to get financial beat through and the rest of the formalities. There are possibilities that 11th standard students may get the laptops. Sources say government is trying hard to distribute laptops by 15th August. Government's action taken report table in the last assembly session states that Kalvi Bridge will likely be ready by 30th May. However, we are in August now and there are no chances that the bridge will be ready by August end. It may take another month and a half to complete, maybe by Savat. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar inspected the bridge while he was on mission Gaon Chalo Abhiyan. Nevertheless, government is planning for inauguration of some projects in state. Laying of foundation stones too may also announce some more schemes. Government plans for 15th August as of now is draft investment policy to be submitted to government, Pedne inauguration of Tarmas Bridge at Vazri, inauguration of Gudi Paroda Panchayat Hall at Kepe, and at Daboli Joggers Park and foundation stone for Chikli Panchayat building. State is facing acute financial crisis. The action taken report submitted in last assembly session has made government's plans clear, but realities are still far off. Seems like upcoming Independence Day may not have much to offer to Goikars. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
In a major robbery, robbers fled away with gold ornaments worth 14 lakhs and around 6 lakh rupees in cash from a row house at Kolva. The owner claims that some of the known person has committed the crime. He said his complex is guarded by more than 10 security personnel and there is no chance any outsider committing the theft.
नया लैपटॉप था वो भी वहीं पे पड़ा है. ओनली ही टेकन द कैश 5,65,000 एंड द बैंगल्स वर्थ 14 lakhs. मेरा डाउट तो सोसाइटी पे है, बिकॉज सोसाइटी में मैंने 1000 बारी कंप्लेंट किया है इस सोसाइटी में, एक्वा मरीना की सोसाइटी में आकार वालों को, कि किचन का डोर इज़ नॉट वर्किंग बिकॉज ऑफ रेन. डोर थोड़ा फूल गया है, वो लॉक नहीं हो पा रहा. 4-5 महीने से मैं उनको बोल रहा हूँ, चिल्ला रहा हूँ उनके ऊपर कि प्लीज़ आओ डोर ठीक कर दो, कभी भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. नोबडी केम. डॉग स्क्वाड्स आए हैं, डॉग ने इसको वे आउट बताया है. स्पेलिंग करने के बाद दे क्लाइंब फ्रॉम द बैक.
20 लाख.
20 लाख.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.